Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to delete Roblox game. So firstly, go to the search button of Windows, then type Roblox player, then click on open file location. After that, right click on the shortcut and go to properties, then click on open file location again. Then you will go to the Roblox directory. Now you have to get back a few folders until you get to the local section. Then you'll find a folder called Roblox. Right click on it, then press delete. It might take some time for the deletion to complete. After it is complete, you have to go to your recycle bin. Then right click on the Roblox folder and delete it from here as well. After you have done these steps, your Roblox game will be permanently deleted. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.